The enemy of your purpose is not necessarily evil. It is division of attention. If your capacity to manifest the kingdom is a fixed amount of energy, every distraction you consume is a leak in your jurisdiction. Think about it. We are constantly feeding the machine our focus, our most precious resource. We scroll, we react, we analyze the chaos, and in doing so, we are literally bleeding out the energy that was meant to build the sanctuary, to refine the frequency, and to manifest the restorative order of the word. What would we actually be doing if the noise stopped today? If the news cycle went silent, if the digital conflict ceased, we wouldn't just be sitting idle. We would be stewards. We would be builders. We would be focused on the land, on the tangible provision, on the direct restoration of our families and our communities. When you look at the 8-Acre Redemption Project, or the work we do to broadcast the frequencies of the Scion Hub, you realize that these aren't just projects. They are the garden. They are the place where the Creator's intent is the only law. But when we give our attention to the distraction, we are choosing to live in the wilderness. We are choosing the fight over the harvest. It is time to close the leaks. It is time to stop letting the system dictate the geography of our focus. Your jurisdiction is not the chaos on your screen. It is the work in your hands. Today, let's identify the distractions that are pulling you away from your assignment, and let's shut them down. The kingdom doesn't need your reaction. It needs your presence. It needs your focus. It needs your yes to the work that is right in front of you. Choose the garden. Build the sanctuary. Ignore the noise. Chosen frequency. Frequency 528 Hz. The transformation frequency. This frequency is selected because it is the signature of restoration. When you move your focus from the wilderness of distraction to the garden of your assignment, you are performing an act of spiritual transformation. 528 Hz recalibrates your energy, sealing the leaks in your jurisdiction and aligning your focus with the authority of the Creator. It is the frequency that allows you to stop reacting to the world and start rebuilding it. Check the comments below for free resources and the link to the Scion Frequency Hub. If you're ready to honor your loved ones with a timeless tribute, order your custom Scion Legacy Original song or song in video today. Email me at scionlegacyoriginals@gmail.com to get started.